Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching all my previous video. This is Daikin VRV 3 cassette type indoor unit. As you can see, we have already started the unit, expansion wall and all the PCB, all the sensors are working normal. As you can see here, the power is also coming properly in the indoor PCB, but our fan is not working and our evaporator coil is also getting chilled, but there is an issue in the fan motor. Let's see what is the error for this. When I see the error in the remote, it was showing the error A6. A6 means our cassette type indoor unit fan motor problem. The fan motor was having issue, that's why the indoor fan motor was not working. Let's change the fan motor now. And to remove all the connectors and all the cable tray, water tray and PCB, you can check the I button. I will provide the link how you can open the Daikin VRV cassette type indoor unit, all the accessories to reach up to the fan motor. As you can see that this is fan blower. I am trying to remove the lock of the fan blower first of all, because this lock is totally fixed and there was an issue on removing this one. That's why I used the minus screwdriver to remove that top lock. As you can see, I am using from all four sides with the minus screwdriver. Now you see the lock is removed. Now I am going to remove the fan blade also. The fan blade is removed and this is the old fan motor which is faulty. First of all, I am removing the support which supports the cable not to touch the fan blower. As you can see here, I have removed that support. Now I will remove the cable from support here also. Now we can remove the fan motor. As you can see, the fan motor is totally rusted. Then also I am trying to remove the fan motor with the adjustable. There are three sides. There are nuts, three side nuts you have to remove, and your fan motor will be removed. As you can see, our fan motor is removed now. This is the old one. This is the old fan motor and this is new fan motor which I am going to install now. And for how you can remove all the parts like drain tray and all that, you can check in the I button or description. I will provide the link from there. You can open all the parts to reach up to the fan motor. Now you have to put all three bolts, nuts all around the fan motor. As you can see, I am tightening all the nuts. Three side nut has been tightened now. Now I am arranging the fan motor that it should not touch the blower and otherwise it will make the noise. Now I am fixing the blower now. And you can check how you can fix all the accessories after fixing the fan motor. I will provide in the description. As you can see, our fan motor is fixed. Now we started the system again. Already we have put all the units in 16 and you can see there is no error now. And this one was the previous error A6, as you can see in the remote. Now our system is working normal. There was an issue of the fan motor, due to that it was showing the error A6. Now you can see our AC is running normal. The fan is also rotating properly.